We were changing a light bulb in a recessed fixture in our fireplace room, and I could feel cold air pouring in through the light fixture.
The energy assessment was fabulous. It was quick, it was efficient, and it was extraordinarily thorough. Of all of the recommendations that they made, each one of them made perfect sense to us, and we followed up on every one of them.
An Eversource authorized contractor was recommended to us. They were in and out fairly quickly, but they did a number of things that we were grateful that they were willing to take the time to do. It insulated around the doors in addition to the insulation in the attic over the crawl space and so forth. I would just add that we were really surprised how little insulation we had in some places. We had just made some assumptions about the house being more insulated than it was.
We already knew about mini splits and were reluctant to do it. And then we had the assessment done, and I think one of the things that really sold us was the possibility that we could dehumidify the house with them, as well as cool the house with them, as well as heat the house with them. I mean, you know, they do everything.
So we have a house that is much less drafty, much less humid, so we are much more comfortable in the house than we were before.
The program helps us feel better about ourselves and our own stewardship of the environment by allowing us to make our home comfortable and as energy efficient as possible. Why wouldn't you do this program?
You know, it just felt like an incredibly cost-effective way to make our house more energy efficient.
We appreciate that Eversource participates and supports this Mass Save program.
We have recommended
it
to a
We've
number of
recommended
friends
it to
and family
everybody we
members.
know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.